Welcome in, everybody. Happy Thursday. Jobless claims today. CPI tomorrow. Volatility? I'm hoping so. We had NVIDIA earnings last night. Big drop, but the market has immediately reclaimed it. Started going back up. Makes me long. Makes me long bias. Not really looking for anything to the downside, truthfully. If you look at our hourly chart, we're kind of going square, right? Up, sideways. Don't really see this break down. I'd anticipate a break in the way that we went in after the consolidation. Our rule of thumb, break up, consolidate. It usually breaks out the way that it broke in. So inside, out. Hopefully, we'll see some upside. I'm looking for longs today. Maybe get a pull towards VWAP to start the morning. Get a long there. Maybe we're already opening at previous day highs. So we're going to be patient, find an opportunity, find something sexy, real sexy like. Market opens in 2 minutes. We're doing our thing a little early today. Rejecting previous day high, overnight high as well. Asia low, London low. No, London low somewhere in here. So yeah, we're looking longs today, even though we have some options to the downside. I wouldn't like to see us push down. I wouldn't like it. I like that we are opening off of the start. Morning, Dom. What's up, brother man? How are you doing, King? How you feeling on this Thursday? Post NVIDIA earnings, massive drop there. We have jobless claims today. We already had them at 9. Or 8:30 technically. Morning, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Stigma, welcome in, King. Welcome back, brother man. See what we get today. I'm going to have a long bias. Having a long bias. We're going to be patient, though. On our hourly chart, we had a strong push from Friday. We've gone sideways since then. Typically, when we see consolidation, the rule I want to see is it breaking out the way we broke in. So we came in and went sideways. I want to see it break out. Looking for longs. We had NVIDIA earnings. We had CPI tomorrow. Today we had jobless claims. We have home sales at 10, I think, or something like that. Let's go, people. We have some opportunity. Market opens in 30 seconds. Let's make some money. Let's be patient today. Oh, I love it. Morning, Danielle. Welcome back. Super happy to have you back. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see how we're doing today, y'all. Market's about to open up at near previous day high. I would like a little dippy dip, maybe into the VWAP. Try to find a long for the continuation for the day. Have long bias at the moment. We will see what we can catch, see what we can do. And here we go. Here's the bell. Opening print candle price at the 640s. Let's see what we get here. Red candle event, news folder event. Red folder news event. Here we go, finding some support off the 540s, pushing into the 60s here, taking previous day high out. It kind of feels like we're just going to keep pushing today. A little bit of a trend day, a little continuation push into the 60s. I guess the next clear one would be like the 73s. We're already past that. Pushing into the 80s, finding some strength off the 40s, opening print candle, 40 points straight up right now. Okay, we just took out the NVIDIA earnings price into nearly the 700s off of a no-look fucking push. Opening print candle came down to the 32s. We're already up 70 points. Volatility feels in. Even though you can't see us, we're always watching. Yes, sir, Dave. Welcome back, King Man. Into the 710s. Volatility is in today, guys. We are live. Market's already up 80 points in the first couple minutes here. We're looking to the upside. I wanted to see us break out. I didn't expect it to be immediately, but Angels in the outfield. Come on, dude. Yes, sir. Love it, Dave. I love it. Let's make some money today, huh? Strong push. Market's already almost up 100 points off of the bottom push. Opening print candles low is 630. We're at 730. 100 points in 2 minutes. The range is in, people. Let's make some money today. We're going to be buying a first dippy pullback. This feels a little interesting. Like we're super extended. I could see this returning. We've seen it before, but I want to see this just kind of trickle up today. Just kind of be a trendy day. 6K off the 650s area. Nice long on the 650s, sir. You took a little scalpy scalp. Wagwan. What is Wagwan? What's up, Elijah? Welcome back, brother man. What does Wagwan mean? Turning at the 735s, we'll definitely be trying our first pullback here, just to stab at it, seeing how deep it gets. Hopefully it's a little bit of a pullback towards the CMA at these 80s, maybe the 700 whole number. Morica Stewart, what's up? What's up? First time chatter. Welcome in. Happy to see you here. Yeah, 25 points. It's Jamaican for what's up. Ooh, I like that. Wagwan. Good trade for the 25 points though, Elijah. Let's see what we can get, y'all. I'm looking for a pullback towards VWAP, maybe previous day range. I don't really want to count this wick as a spot for price. We kind of have to, but I don't want to. Yes, sir. Work hard. Good morning, brother man. Welcome back, King. Welcome back, King, man. I feel like we could just be seeing a trendy day. Typically, though, when you see Asia extend and London continue and then New York extend in this way, we see like a quick reversal the other way. So I'm just trying to be a little bit cautious, a little bit patient. Not by the first dippy. Top of the morning. My boy Saucy, our man, our myth, our moderator is in the chat. Welcome, King. Welcome, King. Into the 720s. Market's already up 100 points in the first 2 minutes. Getting a push. We have some range. That means that the market's moving. We can get paid today, guys. Let's be patient. Into the 740s now. Market is looking strong. I was expecting a bullish push today. I didn't expect it to be so quick, though. So we're either going to be looking for here. Now that this is already happening, let's just go take a gander where we're reaching towards. It feels like these 781s, maybe 800s are a lock. Kind of feels like we're going to go see the 800s at least. But we got to see. We've already got a lot of extension, so the market's going to play both sides, ups and downs. Into the 740s, EMA would be a decent opportunity for a buy. If we can get there, that's around the 700 whole number right now. See what we can do. Market's only been open for 4 minutes, guys. Let's be patient, even though we're getting the 100 points. Seeing the range, seeing the opportunity. We get paid by being patient in here, though. Y'all know the rules. Y'all know the rules. Y'all know what we're looking for. Maybe getting a dip into the EMA here. We'll be trying along. Feels a little bit lower than I like it to be. At the same time, I like the strength here. Maybe give us the 705 fill. We're going to take a stab at it. We're going to take a stab at the 705 fill. It's still early, so be cautious of that. 710s. Are we going to get a Fill-A-Rooney and cheese? Almost immediately hit to our stop there. Didn't really expect to give that. Want to see the EMA hold here? Come on, Nazi. Give me some buys. Immediately got cocked on that one. Where is this getting back to? Opening print here. We're going to take another one down here.
Order filled.
I'm going to let our 300 be a little bit more cautious. I didn't expect to get such a quick pull towards us. Let's see if we can get this to hold now. Hoping this EMA can hold. This is the previous range. This is that previous peak on that NVIDIA earnings candle. Want to see if we can get a little bit of continuation here. Otherwise, this just might keep ripping down. If we can't hold this EMA, want to see some response from the buyers here at this previous peak. Let's get a little support here, NVIDIA. Show me some NVIDIA. Show me a little bit of strength, please. Holding this price that we got into. Want to see some strength here by the buyers. We're in a very susceptible spot. Would like to see some strength get through. For now, we're just going to hodl. No reason to rush anything. For now, we're just going to hodl. I don't love that candle reaction. I think we could get some return, but I want to see the EMA respond here. I want to see the buyers trying here. It's not my favorite price action off of that push, but we're going to see here. We might be susceptible to another little LE. Don't like this price action. Got to see a response from the buyers at this EMA. This is that previous NVIDIA peak price. Want to see some continuation here. Getting down towards our stop. We'll see the return. We're looking to see this hold. Good morning, Pat. Welcome in, King Man. Happy you're in, brother. Not liking the price action on this trade right now, guys. We are getting some support at this price, but the way that we held the EMA isn't looking very strong. Let's take this whole ad off. Getting it to hold now a little bit. I like that a little bit more. Still want to see this continue through that range. Jeez, ads. Let's get a pop through there if we're going to see some continuation. We got to get through that flat price there. Don't even have any skippable ads on YouTube right now. Wowzers. 15-second no skipper. That was criminal. Had to mute it for you guys. We're getting some reaction at this price. Still got to get through this flat top if this is going to continue. In through here, we'll add our second contract. If we get through this flatness at the 14s. Still trying to be a little bit patient. It's still early in the morning, 8 minutes into the trade. Don't want to take anything too ambitious. Want to be patient here. Not looking to add into this yet. Not the price action there I wanted to see on that candle either. See this keep continuing. We got to get some pressure through here. Otherwise, we could just return. Want to see the buyers that were excited earlier get excited again. Pushing through this flatness, we're going to add a contract through the 720s. If we get a close above the 20s, we're going to add our second contract. Closure around here, we're going to add. Sorry, I'm focused on this so hard right now. What's up, everybody? How's everyone doing? Good morning, Caesar. Welcome, Ben, brother. Happy you're here. What's everyone's goal today? And what do you plan on getting there? Yes, sir, Saucy. The goal is to make some money. I plan on getting there by being disciplined. Come on. You know what I mean? Closure above these flat prices. We're going to add a contract here, guys. Look for this to continue upwards. Hopefully get through this range. Want to see some continuation by the buyers here. It's a scary ad, but we're going to add.
Order filled.
We're in 2 contracts now. Not going to be risking a lot. Want to see if we can keep getting this to push. Want to see if we can keep getting this to push through these 20s now that we got above there. Don't want to see the buyers give it back. Don't want to see the buyers give this back here. Let's get through this price. Let's get up through there. See the stretch, NASDAQ. Let's get a little stretchy poo going here. Through this flat price, we could see some extension. I really think 800s could be a lock today. If we get through this these 20s. Got to get through these 20s with some strength, though. Don't want to see any wicks. You guys know the rules. Ooh, don't like that. Want to continue to see us supporting this EMA. Otherwise, we might be chopped here. A little freaky. A little scary. I guess I'd really be rather risking the bottom of this range. And I don't like giving up 900 here. I want to see this try to hold. Want to see us keep pressing here. Want the buyers to remain excited. Not my favorite closure there by the sellers. Through these 20s, gave us a little bit of obstacle again by the sellers here. It's testing us today, people. I want to see these buyers react here. Otherwise, we might go see that bottom prices. Looking to see our buyers react to this EMA. Want to see some excitement from them. Weakness will not be in our favor right now. Eek. Don't love that close there. Got to get back above that price. Want to see the buyers respond. They got to show strength here. Get back to those 20s. Otherwise, we might be in a weak trade. Come on, buyers. Get strong. Close through that price. We might be looking decent. I like the closure. Want to see some more strength. We get up above these flatness. We're looking decent here. Got to get through this flat price. Waiting on clean price action to get funded. Yes, sir, Pat. That's the game, brother, man. I love hearing it, King. Got to get a closure above these 20s. They've been a real obstacle. We get into the 30s here. I might even consider adding another contract. I like the push. If we get a closure above with no wick, I'll add. Right now, I'm just going to be patient. Probably won't really actually consider adding till a break of these 743s. Want to see some continuation by these buyers right now. It's almost enough for a break even. It just feels really susceptible. I'm going to put it on. It feels really vulnerable right now. But because we just got that push through there, I want to see it continue. I don't really want to see this come back towards us right now. I want to see the buyers take this up if we're going to get this move. Otherwise, we're going to just find another spot to get in this. Come on, NASDAQ. Give us a continuation here. Get through those 20s. Big obstacle. They're still back at the 20s again. Come on, NASDAQ. Leave us alone. Go away. Go away. Leave us alone. Targeting us. Come on, buyers.
Order filled.
All right, we're going to look to find a spot to get in this. We just got kicked out. Man, why wouldn't it leave us alone right there? And how do you plan on getting there? Waiting on clean price action. Lord knows I don't have the numbers to buyers right now, so I'll just throw in a prediction of shooting up high. I like that, Sauce. I like that. We were hoping to see this continue through there with that wick. Got kicked down. Sitting here again. Oh, why did they want us to test there, huh? Failed to break out through the top. Our first 15-minute range is in. Let's get our box drawn real quick. Get a better picture of what we're looking at. Here's our first 15-minute range. Compress below the EMA, holding this 50% though. Another wick. Excuse me. I'm still looking for a long here, guys. I'm gonna buy this wick down here if we can get a push. Down to the 89s is where we're looking for our fill right now. Compressing below the EMA isn't ideal for our trade if we do get a fill.
Order filled.
All right, we just got tapped in there. Still risking our normal 15 points, $300. Want to see if we can hold the 50% here. Want to see the reaction from the buyers at this 50% here.
Order filled.
Right down through it. Okay. Well, there's two trades against us already, gang. Already two thick ones right against us. High selling volume candle there. Got a little extension. Just be patient. Small break, brother. Small break, brother. Yeah, it's a little trade there. Nothing crazy.
Order filled.
We're shorting this right now. I'm expecting this to continue through. Maybe towards the VWAP at this point. Sellers are looking a little heavier than I'd anticipate to see them right now. Maybe getting us back to the VWAP. If the buyers can't hold this 50%, I like this a little bit more. Let's see the reaction to this candle. want to see the sellers be able to get through here now. $12K now. I'm switching to practice. Yes, sir. Good trading, Elijah. Want to see the EMA come and reject this 50%. Maybe looking towards the VWAP here. Seeing some reaction from these sellers that makes me think we might go see opening print low. If we continue to hold here, I like it a little bit more. Getting through here, I'll add a second contract possibly. If we can get through this flat bottom, I'll short into the VWAP through the 68s. Buying's holding this 50% though right now. It's going to be an interesting candle here by the sellers. See if they react. Almost want to fucking hit the old reverse at some point here today, guys. See if we can get this to hold through this 50%. I'm not liking the reaction that we're getting from the sellers here whatsoever. Might consider closing this. Wanting to see a little bit more strength through this 50% price. If they're really going to load up, they're going to show us. Otherwise, buyers are acting pretty strong here. A little bit more patience. A little bit more patience. Want to see this candle closure before I make a decision. We could easily keep pushing through. Don't want to see the buyers react to that move. If the seller's going to take it down, they're going to take it down there. No wicks. Can't add into this yet until a break of this price. All right, I'm adding. We're 2 contracts. See if this keeps breaking through now. A little nerve-wracking watching it here. Want to see this bottom break through, otherwise we're just going to close. Got to get through this flatness. No wicks through this bottom.
Order filled.
I just hit the wrong button. Well, I did not mean to flatten there, y'all. Wow. I don't even know what the fuck that just spam panicked the button there. Holy cow. Dangerous shoe. ES just broke 15-minute low. I don't have the number for this one. I waited 10 points after you got in and caught that quick uptick. Yeah, I wanted to be in our shorts right now. I don't even know what I was doing over here. All right. Well, we should be seeing this to the VWAP. Kind of a little ugly execution by us to start the morning. Oh, yeah. If this rips through VWAP, oh my God, I'm so upset. Why did I hit that button? I don't even know what I was doing over there, y'all. Clear execution error. Look at the strength. This is what I was hoping to see, too. My word. It happens. Trading's 100 times harder when down. True, bro. But look at this fucking move that we just caught. Oh, my word. I'm just upset with myself for not getting that. Painful. Really painful. Another 30-point candle there. Just made 50 points. Oh, NASDAQ. You're hurting my feelings. Biggest sell volume candle of the day. Just got through the VWAP, through the bottom of the 15-minute range as well. Let's see the reaction now. We still have some lower auction size we could go test. Getting back in the 15-minute range by the buyers. Let's see the move. Can't catch every move. Yes, sir, Pat. God, when you make stupid error mistakes like that, it's just the worst. Like, just the worst. Biggest sell volume candle of the day, getting in through these 600s. Let's see the continuation or reaction. I'm expecting a little bit of continuation here. Selling is continuing. Pressure is looking up. Interesting. Into the 600 hole number now. God, these sellers. Impressive. We should have been with them from the 80s. We should have been with them from the 80s. It's painful. Into the 600s, buyers are looking like they're kind of responding. Yesterday's VWAP was the 84s, so I'd kind of anticipate that to give at least a test. Maybe a pop back into the VWAP. We could offer an opportunity to get long, short again here with the gang. Short with the gang, maybe up towards this VWAP. Bottom of the 15-minute range, maybe. Into the 33s, looking to see if we can get a fill here. Oh, it was the bottom of the range, though. Pretty decent buy volume, but not enough for me to really like this yet. Still looking for our bottom of the 15-minute range fill. It's going to be a VWAP tap as well. 15-minute, hopefully the EMA continues to curl in. Oh, don't get heavy off of me right there, Nazi. Gosh. Looking to see if we can get a fill at the VWAP one more time before market continues downwards. Seeing what the EMA's reaction with the VWAP is. We're looking for a short at the bottom of the 15-minute range. I was hoping this candle was going to be enough, but instead it turned right at the bottom instead of getting to the VWAP. And now the sellers are continuing. They're finding some continuation. Hoping to see a little bit of a pop back into this move before it really dies. Maybe the EMA or something. This decreased selling volume, I don't mind that. Here we go. Possibly getting a fill. Trading the bottom of the 15-minute range, and the VWAP is right above. EMA is going to come give us an interaction with it as well. Just watching, guys, trying to see if we can get a fill. I want to see the reaction with this EMA. I want to really see it cut through the VWAP here. Ideally gives us a fill below. Kind of feels like it's going to be a close fill, though, if we do get it. See, we're just kind of pressing lower right now. NASDAQ. How you going to do that? How you going to do that, Nazi? We're starting to hold a little bit of a bottom at these 600 hold numbers. We did get some support there previously. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see the reaction here by the participants. I don't like that we got below VWAP, though. And the 15-minute range broke through pretty strong. EMA is trying to curl through now. Let's see if we can get our fill. Only going to be risking our normal 15 points on this, so. Yo, NASDAQ, we got to talk. You can't do me like that. Don't touch me and leave me like that. Come on, give me a fill. Give me a fill at this EMA right now. No shot. No shot, dude. Oh, we just got touched, my friends. Touched. Selling isn't even taking a lot of pressure to get this thing to move. Like, look at the strength. And we just got tapped, but no fill. I could cry about it. What was the failure to get to the VWAP there? We're still going to be looking for our fill. I don't mind the idea that we get into this. The EMA is curling pretty aggressively, though. Yeah. Yep. Tickled, Pat. You seen it, bro. Tickled us. Shorting in the hole here is dangerous, but it feels like we're going to get some continuation. We're going to join them. See if we get this to keep breaking a little bit lower here. Where does this party turn around? I don't know. We're just going to take a scalp with this one. I don't like our fill. Just get back positive on the day. Oh, we wanted to be in there from the VWAP. Big sell-off incoming. Sauce sees it too. Sauce sees it too. Look at the EMA cutting through there pretty aggressively. Not even a lot of selling volumes bringing this thing down. Where do we get into the 570s? Buyers are trying to get back to the 6s here. Pretty big reaction though. Hold on a second. Decent reaction after a pretty strong sell volume candle. Oh, I see. Okay. She was just giving us a chance. I see what you were. I see. Strong buying out of these 70s though, guys. We've seen it twice now. Looking for a short fill at these 607s right now. Market's at the 589s on the other side of the 600 whole number. I want to see if the EMA isn't going to just curl in immediately on us. We'd like to one little tap in before we go. $583s, 70s break. We could go see lower. And here they go. Due for an absolute waterfall, yeah? I don't know if we're due, Saucy, but that candle right there kind of tells us a story, in my opinion. I do agree with you that it looks like we're going to see something a little red, possibly. That's a big rejection off of a tried breakout there. Looking to see if we can get a fill. I don't want to just keep seeing this thing compress lower without at least letting your boy ride. We got touched on that 80s. We got touched and left. Big sell volume candle came in. Buyers are still holding. I still like this to keep compressing. If we can get a fill at the EMA at the 603s. 200 pointer to balance that monster white the other day. I like it. It's a risky. Dude, we just get tickled again, NASDAQ. Give me my fill.
Order filled.
Thank you. I deserved a little bit of an opportunity there. And now this will be the time.
Filled.
I was about to say, this will be the time we just go get a rip the other way. Holy shit. You just can't win. You can't win in this NASDAQ. What was that? Why did we just get our stop ripped? The dangers of having a 15-point stop. You just seen it. Oh, that was painful. 10 o'clock candles opening right now, guys, on the hourly. Let's see what we can get. Maybe get a fill back in towards this price. We're going to try another VWAP short. Even though we are getting above the EMA here at the 600s. Might see a pretty interesting price action to start. I'm looking for our next short is going to be the VWAP. Orange news at 10. Thank you, Ryan. Appreciate it. Was that what that was? That just killed me? 200 SMA on the 5-minute is acting as support. I like that. Thank you, Danielle. I like that. Pretty decent sell volume again there. Still loading up. Let's see the buyer's reaction. They're looking interested to try out this 15-minute range bottom. Try out this VWAP. Let's see what that looks like. We're above the EMA now. I want to see the reaction towards this VWAP. See what they got there. Trying another short. Trying to see if we can get this to continue to hold below the 15-minute range. Every time we've been barely missed today, the trade's worked out. And then every time we're getting our fill, we're getting slapped. So we got to be on the other end of it eventually here. Buying's looking a little bit stronger here. A little bit hesitant to get in, but we're going to wait and see what we can get. Keep getting teased on my fill, though, man. Wowzers. Which makes me think when we do get through this, it's going to be a pretty pop, and we're going to be wrong again pretty quickly. It's not really the reaction I want to see at our price. NASDAQ, can you just not today? Just not today. It's teasing my fill. It's very much teasing a fill for me. Lots of people are filling at this price.
Order filled.
All right, we're in. We're in now, finally. The NASDAQ been teasing us. If we get in below these 608s, we're going to consider adding. Right now, we've got to see the rejection at this bottom of the range, though. Got to see the VWAP load as another stop for these shorts. If the buyers get back above VWAP here, this is no good. Want to see the sellers reacting at the VWAP. Otherwise, this trade will be no good here. Got to see the sellers keep it below. Ideally, get it back towards that EMA. If we get back to the 600s, I'll consider adding. Let's see it, though, Nazi. Got to give me some sells. Got to show me these sellers coming in here. I want to see them be heavy. I don't want to see any wicks. You guys know the rules. Let's get through there with some wick. Yeah, price is being stubborn right now. Into these 600s, we're going to add a contract. Miss NASDAQ, can you hear me? Do you enjoy me? Holy shit, what a move.
Order filled.
I'm adding 2 contracts here. Very risky. Very risky. You got to see it get heavy through here now. See the legs get extended by the Nazi. Got to get through this bottom. 592s are going to be the clear obstacle here. If we can get through there, we're looking decent. I added 2 contracts there instead of our normal. Smell that, Ty, he says. Got to get a reaction by these sellers here. I want to see this continue to the downside. We finally got the closure at that VWAP confirmation. Got to see it continue now, though. This bottom is the spot we're a little afraid of. See? Oh, my word. Just like that. Holy fuck. What was that? We closed this now, right? I don't even... What the fuck was that? Yeah, we're wrong. We're going to be dead wrong now. Oh my word. You gotta see the VWAP try. I don't even know what that was. Wow. We gotta flatten this, guys. What a reaction by the buyers there. Yeah, we gotta flatten this. We're gonna lose a lot more than we want to on this. Holy shit. This is why you try to add in 1 instead of fucking 2 there. Wow, what a painful flick.
Order filled.
We just lost a lot more than we were intending to today, guys. Market makers on that BS. I'm hurt. That was a big sell. That was a big loss we just took. Rejection at the VWAP. Yeah, I mean, it seemed like we were rejecting the VWAP for sure there. Wow. We didn't. We did not reject the VWAP there. We got a strong reaction, so I doubled down, try to get another one. Rejection of yesterday's VWAP, got you. Yes, sir, it was. We held yesterday's VWAP. Now we're starting to try back in today's. That was a lot of buying. Well, fuck. We try to get it in again. Trying to go on the upside now, if that's what the buyers are showing us. Holy cow, what a painful trade that was. Inverted head and shoulders on the minute. Yep. That price was what we were afraid of seeing hold, and it held, so. We're going to try to see if we can get a fill back towards the VWAP. It's probably not going to give us the VWAP fill, but somewhere around there. Before this just continues up here. Excuse me. Man, that was a really painful trade. I was so confident with that ad too, and it got a deep fill. It was just shitty all around. Shitty all around, but we bounced back. It will all be fine, gang. Let's see what we can do here. Looking to see if we can get a pullback into this. They obviously showed some support there at that price. Popping into the 73s. Getting towards this 50% of the 15-minute range. Oh, I'm all deflated. I took a small L as well. Shake it off. Took a small L as well. It's $2,000 L, Pat. That was our biggest L of the whole session, so of these whole accounts so far. 3 contract stop with a big point because of the, what was that fucking candle, man? 97 to the 37, the 35-point candle against us, and then yep, and cheese. You're right though, it's a small loss at the end of the day. Turning around near this 50%, testing into the EMA here. We're going to be still looking to see if we can get into this. Ooh. Sellers feel a little sticky here. Try not to get back more. Wait for high probability setups. You right, Pat. It's good advice, sir. I mean, a rejection of the VWAP was a good setup. Adding into it, I don't regret. It's just, wow. Strong counter trend the other way. Holding the EMA right now. Market didn't get back to the 50%. We're pushing back above these highs. I still think highs are in. I mean, longs are still going to continue. Maybe a VWAP test where price just broke from pretty violently. Bum, ba, 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 bum, bum, bum. We bounce back, gang. We're fine. Definitely hurts. That was a big loss, but you were right. I was up 500 and didn't take it off. Market is kind of whippy. Should have taken just the small scalps. Yeah, yes and no. I mean, small scalps are good. It was tricky. I don't regret how we handled it. Only thing I regret is, worst thing, you still turned 1,500 into 23K. That's excellent. You got this. GPT, W's, man. I appreciate that right there. I do. I appreciate that. We're still in a good spot. We just got to focus up here, find the next one. We just got to focus up and find the next one here. Oh, I'm really thinking longs. That last trade I was in with you, and we both got tickled. Bullwhip markets. That last trade was, man, I love the VWAP short, and then the strong rejection from it. It looked so sexy. It did. I don't regret it. Looking for a long still. Want to see a dip back in towards this price. Can't change what's done. Yes, sir, shoe. We just can't. We just can't. It's 10:12. Plenty of time. Market's been open for 40 minutes. Let's find another spot here. Excuse me. What a big move that was, though. Yes, sir. We just learned 100%, Caesar. I like that. Holding the EMA and pushing back towards the top of this price range where we just rejected from, where price originally died from. Still looking for a long here, guys.
Order filled.
Getting it filled to CMA. If we get a push and a closure above these 78s, I'll consider adding. If we get a closure up there, though, only. If we get a closure up above this flat price around these 78s, I'll consider adding. It's going to be around these 50% though, so it's going to be a little tricky as well. I'd really rather see us get up through the 80s. Creating some flat pricing. I like the chance for a continuation here. I want to see the buyers come in, take us up through that 50% range. Not out of the woods until that 50% roughly gets cleared out. I like the decompressed selling volume. If we continue to hold the EMA, I like it a little bit more. Don't want to see the EMA really get given up here. Don't want to see the EMA get given up here. I want to see a reaction from these buyers. Makes me think VWAP is potentially in play, so kind of want to let VWAP be our thing. Actually, matter of fact, we're going to look for a below VWAP. We're going to just be done for the day if we get a fill down there. If not, we're going to continue to add into this position and look for a rotation, and this is going to be our final trade of the day regardless. We're either going to get a VWAP push through and get tapped out, which would be painful. Oh my god, they're giving me the unskippable 15-second ad today. I'm getting irritated with that. Jeez. I don't like the way we're rolling over right here, honestly. You got to show some strength by these buyers or else we're just going to keep rolling. I like the continuation, but VWAP's going to be the real tricker. We really could get VWAP ticked. If the buying can't get strong through these prices. Wicks are not our friend here. We want to see some closure and we want to see some strength by the buyers at this price. Really show that we're heading in a direction. Yeah, I'm not liking this price action right now. I think we're gonna come get close towards this trend line. Here we go. Let's see if we can get a hold. Sellers is trying. I want to see this trend line defend us. If we really are going to get this to continue to rotate higher, I think we're going to get one more test of this range before it really goes. So it's not that I don't love our position. It's just we're in a susceptible spot. Here's the trend line. I'm going to be below this breakout candle. So we're risking 600. This is our final trade. If we get a pullback towards this price where our stop just was, I'm going to actually add because it's just going to update our stop. So I'll just lose another 8 points on this contract. So it'll be a $700 loss if we get filled for our second contract at the VWAP. But ideally, we have another VWAP tap before this thing actually moves anyway, if it's going to show real structure. We need some better structure for this to really continue in the direction that we want to see. It's a decent closure. It's a decent tap of the VWAP trend line defense. Let's see if we get some continuation. We are going to consider buying the VWAP for our second contract. And this will just add to our loss automatically. So if we are wrong, we're just going to be wrong. If we're right, we're going to get our second contract fill at a good spot. It's either going to be a really painful day, guys, or we're going to end up being decent here. Are we okay with either? Or are we okay with both? We got to be. We've got to be. Trying the trend line again. Trying the VWAP. This feels like it could get heavy through here, honestly. I don't love it right now for us, honestly. I don't love it for us, and I can't believe we just got teased on our entry there, which makes me think we're still coming to VWAP pretty aggressively. Yeah, because why wouldn't it tap me in there? Well, tap, tap, taparoo. This is going to be a really, really key candle right here, guys. If we can close back above this range, it looks decent. It wasn't a VWAP tap, but the VWAP will continue to curl. So this candle is going to be pretty indicative of what we might be doing. I'm not really going to let this second order be filled anymore now that we just barely got filled on it the first try. We should have already been filled on that candle. I wouldn't want to see us get a fill on it now being right below VWAP. This would be a rejection. Well, we don't know what we don't know. What we do know is we should have gotten a really sexy fill on that second contract, but that's fine. That's what we do know. Closure up here, we're adding, boys. Ugh, the wicks. Bump your stop up slightly to VWAP. At this point, it's not a bad play. But man, I think we're going to come get a VWAP. What a rejection that candle was. We get in through this flat price. I'm adding contracts. We got the structure we needed to at least validate our entry. So now we just got to be patient. We got what we needed to validate our entry in terms of movement to the VWAP and some support. Now we just got to keep this continue before we can even validate our add another contract. We're not out of the woods yet. Really a pretty ugly candle closure right there. Pretty ugly candle closure right there for the bulls, to be completely transparent with you guys. That was a ugly candle closure for the bulls. We're at a spot. We're at a giant spot. We're either going to break up or down here. This is a very big, look at the tightness. Trend line tap, EMA's coming into it, above VWAP. And we're getting a break away from us. How sad. Gotta see if the buyers are going to support. I'd be excited to see a high contract trade someday soon, brother. Doesn't have to be today, of course, but I want to see some juice. Yeah, I mean, I hear you, kid. It would be ideal. Obviously, we don't want to just be donating, though, so. I was going to add a good, decent size to this move if we got some validation. If we get continuation in this, I will be adding to this. But we got to see if we can even maintain right now. I like the decompressed selling volume at a spot. We already got the VWAP nearly fill. I mean, at this point, VWAP feels inevitable. VWAP feels pretty inevitable at this moment. I like this bear bull flag, though, by quite a bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave our 6. Still consider getting our ad. It's still the same trade. A break above our price, we're adding pretty heavy into this. Decompressed selling volume at a big spot. Sellers are trying, but buyers are being stubborn. If we get this to continue to break here, we might see a little bit of an explosion. Otherwise, we could keep breaking down. I mean, we did get on the other side of this trend right now, so this is going to be a big spot. Saucy wants to see it. This price action is kind of crappy, but Tyler's doing great with it. Small L for me. I'm done for the day. I'm not doing great with it, King, man. We're down big. We're down big on the day, sadly. Oh, I really want to see this hold. This looks like we're going to keep pressing here. Look at this bull flag, guys. Here, I'll zoom out even a little bit for you. Up. Decent consolidation at a big spot holding the VWAP. If we get this to hold, I mean, shit. But right now we're compressing below the EMA. It's not looking really great for bulls. The wicks are looking good. Really some fighting for the 650. Really some fighting for the 650 zone. Absolutely. That's where they're battling right now, Danielle. Minus that unplanned stop, of course, LOL. Yeah, that was a brutal stop. This got to be one of the most transparent traders out there. King Sheet. Profit low key. You're the man, bro. I appreciate it so much, man. I appreciate it so much. Thanks for being here, hanging out, showing the vibes. Let's see if we can get VWAP to continue to hold. I don't like that we're barely tapping it. We're missing it both times. Makes me think we're going to get a strong push, but we ride, boys. End of the VWAP here. That's the official VWAP tap. Now show me the explosion. Got to see a strong reaction by the buyers if they're going to be excited about this. This is a very clean bull flag, all in all. Clean bull flag, bottom of the VWAP's holding the 15% bottom. I like this chance. I like this chance. That's all we can do. And we're wrong.
Order filled.
We're done for the day, guys. That's facts, though. There's too many crappers on X and YouTube. Tyler, the real deal. We're the real deal, but we just took another fatty. Yeah, I don't know, gang. What pretty ugly price action. And we just get stopped out before the move. These are the type of days where it all goes. You just start tilting. It is bad price action. Yeah, and then like I'm just legit bottom liquidity. Like legit bottom liquidity. If this doesn't keep continuing lower, I'm gonna pout. Why were we legit the fucking bottom tick on that, dude? Holy shit, NASDAQ. Literally killing me today. This isn't great, guys. Feels like shit. Time for Tree and Jim. My boy gets it. God, this is gonna continue through here now after just fucking bottom ticking me, dude. I want to see this continue through here. Otherwise, we were just bottom liquidity. All good, brother. Tomorrow, a better day. Bad days happen. I lost 4K yesterday. I made it back today and some. Yes, sir, Elijah. Bad days do happen, King Man. We're going to take one more try because I really fucking am annoyed that we were bottom ticked, and I want to see this continue here. This bottom hold. This is going to give us some information. We're either going to hold the VWAP here and continue, or dip down and continue. So I really like to see this try to hold along. Damn. Lockout. Topstep loves these days. Yes, sir, it does. I'm taking one more. I agree, GPT, but we're taking one more. My daily loss limit in my mind is 3. So if we get there, we get there, and we take it on the chin like gentlemen. But hopefully we get to have a chance to make a little bit of it back. We'll see. I really want to see if this is going to hold. I mean, this is a classic bull flag, but at this point it's breaking a little lower than you'd expect. So we might just see this continue to break down. Look at this choppy. This is a very ugly day in terms of the hourly charts. You're right. Topstep loves these days. They really do. Gosh. Just trying to get an idea here. I have an anticipation VWAP's just going to hold and start rocketing us. So, although we never even got to the 50% there. There's so many things. VWAP showing itself. And sellers, though, are reacting. Oh, what a day, guys. Feels bad when we don't win, but fuck. I'm just still upset about that giant loss. Our losses should always be controlled. And we just get a very, very aggressive loss there. And now we're just suffering. Tomorrow's another day. Let's see what we can do. One more try today, though. Possibly. I'm not going to force anything, but I guess I would have already expected VWAP to kind of react if we were going to get an explosion. They're not able to get through the bottom of the 15-minute range, though. Just going to watch. We're either going to get a push through the bottom of this range and we're going to take a short and just grab a little points, or we're going to get this to finally hold through this trend line and we're going to hold through some points. So I'm waiting for one of these two, and this is going to be our final opportunity. Holding the bottom of the 50-minute range and the VWAP. If we continue to press through this trend line, we're going to be looking along and just waiting for the push to the other side of the range. If this breaks through this spot finally, we're going to wait for a retest and then look for the break of this range. So, VWAP, are you finally going to act up here? Big suppression by the buyers. I'm the sellers. Bum, 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 bum. Last trade, NASDAQ. Give me something here. Get through this price. Get through this trend line. Show us the continuation. Holding the VWAP now. This bull flag, it looks like it's officially trying to break. Oh, yeah. Because Tyler had to get stopped out, right? Right, NASDAQ? That's how you feel about me? Is that how you feel about me, NASDAQ? Into the 70s now? You're not going to just give us any chance to get a pullback? Now, why would you do me like that? Into the 70s, breaking through that flat price where we wanted to see it before we added. Gosh, this NASDAQ today. Really something. We're looking for a fill at this. We're looking for a fill. I don't like these 73s. Want to get a little bit lower before we actually get a decent fill. Latina, bro. Latina. She is. She cares about us, but like, you know, on her terms. Still waiting for a potential entry in this. We're looking for the 54s right now. Prices at the 70s. Don't want to just see this keep continuing. I want to have a chance to get in NASDAQ. Do you like me? Do you like me or no? You took my money today, so I don't think you actually do. Come give me my fill at the 54s preferably, and then just go all the way all the way to 900 or something, you know? Gonna swing by Walmart and grab some Takis and lip gloss. She'll be chilled. She'll be chilled tomorrow. Pat, you're the man, bro. Thanks for the laugh. We just got tickled again, NASDAQ. I am going to fight her. Like, what are we doing? Oh, just wanted a fill. That's all I wanted. Just a fill. That's all I want, NASDAQ. Give me my fill, please. Fill me, please. Very nicely.
Order filled.
Thank you. No, I mean, I really appreciate that. And now we're just going to get this to return all the way to the VWAP and just be cooked. Cheddar cheese cooked. Testing the other side of this trend line now. Oh my word. We're below VWAP. We're below VWAP here. I am locking myself out. Made 600 today, which I'm very happy with. You should be, Danielle. Great trading. Way to be in control of this choppy market. Good discipline to lock out. Thanks for being here, hanging out. Your boy's suffering a pretty tough one today, but we'll see what we can do. Wanting to see some support by the buyers at this price. No way we're gonna still be stuck in this flat range, right? Right, NASDAQ? You're gonna give your boy a chance here. I feel like our stop is still susceptible. I feel like the safest one is below this range, but I don't really want to risk another 600 on this, but this is the safest stop. Oh, NASDAQ. How I love you. I am anticipating a pretty strong move if we get this to continue. Good trades, boys. Took none from NYC. Did cause some on London. Good trade and work hard. Good work. Hope you can win this, Tyler. Hey, man. I hope so too, brother, but it's not looking great for us at the moment. We're on the other side of the trend line. I want to see this just continue to go upwards. It's risky. It's a risky trade. Just bleeding. Just bleeding. Not seeing the aggressive buying that we want to see. Like, I want them to step up here. How was your trading this morning work hard? It's a great question, Pat. I need to see some aggression out of these buyers right now, please. Just some real aggression. But they just seem sleepy. You know what I mean? A little tired. Like they just had a long work day or something. Just got home. Still got to go to the gym. They're just feeling a little fatigued. Want to see closures. You guys know the rules. Wicks here are not what we're looking for at the try of a breakout. Here we go. Getting the wick. Getting what we're not a fan of. Allergic to those. Don't like seeing those. Really don't like seeing those whatsoever. This feels like we're going to break down now. Oh my God. Ain't took none this morning. My setup wasn't good for NYC on gold. But last night it was, and I'm just here smoking, enjoying time. That's my guy. Work hard. I have almost the same trade but lower stop, targeting highs. I like that, Dave. I like that you're just enjoying yourself right now. They'll work hard. Targeting highs, high a day. I'm also targeting high a day. I am also targeting the high of day right now, sir. Right now, we just got to see if we can get this to continue to give us some support. Got to see a closure here. You guys know the rules. It's really tough to even add into this trade at all just because of where we're at, but we're going to try. Hell yeah, bro, work hard. Sounds great, brother. Some days are like this. Some days are just like this, huh, Pat? Pure agony. The decompressed buying volume at a range, I don't really like seeing that. I want to see buying be aggressive here. It's not really showing us that right now. If we get a closure and a break above these 70s, I'm going to add some fat contracts to this. Just go for it. Got to get a closure and a hold above these 73s, though, before I'd even consider it. I don't want to see this flat price be a flat price again. It's just not what I want to see. Back at the flat price, can we get some extension? Finally get a closure above these. Closer towards this 84. 84 is the 50%, so it's going to be scary trying to get a long or add through there. I want to see some support. I want to see some strength. This is a flat price where buyers have been very consistent. I mean, sellers. Closure up here, we're going to add. Can we add 3 contracts or is it suicide? Can we add 3 contracts or is it suicide? Tyler, watch you make 21,500 live on stream, bro. Today is just a small speed bump in the journey. Don't let the L get you down because you were a big win soon. Just need to stay alive. Pat, you're the fucking man, dude. We're buying 3 more here. Fill me. Fill me, NASDAQ. Right below you. Fill me, NASDAQ. Right below you, girl. Adding 3 contracts. We just got 3 contracts added. We're in 4 now. Our average price is where this price broke from. Only risking a little bit. We're going to risk... Damn, I just want to see... it's tricky. Opportunity for this to continue in that direction for us. Got to get back above this 50%. Getting the decompressed selling. Want to see the buyers really get aggressive here. Once they got this breakout, I want to see a continuation of this breakout. I want to see a continuation of this breakout. I want to see buyers keep pressing through this 50%. This is a big spot here. These 80s is a big price. Come on, buyers, get through these 80s. Give me a closure above these 80s. Looks strong right now. Not a bad move. Not a bad move. Let's get it pushed through that price now. Can't put break even on yet, but if we get through that top, I might. I'm just going to do it because it's way too many contracts, but very good chance of getting stopped out of this. I just want to see this continue for us here, boys. See this get some legs. Get through this flatness. Show me some legs, NASDAQ. Show me some legs, NASDAQ. Get through there. Oh, I don't want to see that at all at this price. I want to see some continuation. This is a big wick, big candle, big price. Got to see some continuation here. I mean, we're pretty much risk off for a chance to make $5,000. So let's see if we get a fill a wick one time for a guy. Come on. Fill out a wick one time for a guy. Like Sauce asked, please. Break even looks good. Good call on the break even. We have the EMA supporting us now. Just want to continue to let this price out. Come on, buyers. Just show me one time. Go get that 15% one time. I want to see some legs by these buyers right now. Got to get through that wick that we just stalled out on. Got to get through the wick that we're stalling out on. Through this price at the 700s is going to be the next obstacle. Obviously, we get through the 7s. We should be decent. I want to see these 7s just get broken. Come on, 700s. Break. One time for the kid. I want to see these 700s get snapped through. It's not really seeing it right now. Come on, NASDAQ. Help me out one time. Get through those 7s. 700 whole number. Get through that 700. Get through that 700 for the kid. Don't want to see any reactions here. I'm still flat today, but hope it breaks 15-minute high. I don't even need the 15-minute high to break. I just want to go let's go tap it. Let's go a little taparoo. I want to see these 700s break is what I need to see right now. Get through these 700s and we could have a chance. Just a chance is all I'm asking for, NASDAQ. Get through these 700s right here. Come on, I don't like this stalling out. I'm getting itchy. Just a big position. Fucking A. EMA is our only hope here. Show me something, NASDAQ. Show me something. Get through these 7s now. No more wicks. No, this is acting like it wants to wick. 98s. Go test out those 7s and break through with some strength. 700. Break through it. Big obstacle. Get through those 7s. Come on. Big whites. Big buyers. Get through those 7s. No wicks. 700. 702. Hold. Hold. Hold above the 7s. Hold the 7s here. Big spot. We got to get the buyers to hold the 7s here. 701. Hold. Hold. No wicks. You guys know the rules. We're allergic. Get up through that 7. Don't you dare tease me with a hold below. 700s. We teased it. 704s. Get through those 7s right now, Nazi. Some strength. Get to the 10s. Come on, NASDAQ. 705. There's the 710s. Holy shit. Into the 10s. See this keep moving for us, hopefully. This 14s. You don't think we go through the high a day? At this point, Saucy, we really could. Oh, I don't know, bro. Because I think 740 is also 2,300. 740 is almost our 10K. 740 is almost our 10K, Saucy. This feels safe to take it there. Into the 17s. Can we get to the 20s? Shit. Almost tempted to just take it. Green Day, move the stop. We'll take a little bit. I want to see this keep pressing into these 20s, though. High a day? Saucy's asking the big questions. Do we think we have a chance to break higher? Definitely an opportunity to. Gosh, I don't know what to target right this. Let's see these 720s play. I want to get through these 20s. I would take high of day max. You're already down 3K. Thomas, good advice. You think top of the range then, where we're targeting the 740s? Do you like the 740s target, sir? Do we just rotate here, y'all? Take our winning day? Do we just take our winning day here? I'm really tempted to. Fuck, I don't know. Back to the 700s. I want to see the buyers reacting here. We just got through there. Take the W. You was down 15K. Take it, man. Y'all are something. Fuck, what do I do? I want to see those 740s. I think we push to the top of the range, and I want to hold for conviction, but I also just want to take it back because we were just down so much. But that's trading with emotion, trading off of P&L. It's like these decisions. Like if I don't touch anything, we have a chance to go make the 5,300, which is all within reason to the top of the range, which could also bring us to our 10K. Let's see this candle closure. If we can't get through these 20s, I'm just going to close. I want to see a pop by these buyers here. I like our spot. TP will get hit. Keith said it. Flatten if it hesitates. You can take another trade if it breaks the top. Keith says TP will get hit. He dropped me with the will. Holy fuck. 27 points. Are we going to hold for 27 more points here? Gotta wait to see this press. I don't really see a reason why we'd stall at these 20s. Nothing about these 20s that are super scary. Show me something, NASDAQ. Get through those 20s with a pop. Get to the 30s. Tease these fucking 40s. Pop through here. Pop through these fucking 20s. One time for the kid. Pop goes the weasel. Let me see it. Let me see a pop here. Gotta get through these 20s. Fuck. I think we wait. I don't mind it. I don't see a reason why we wouldn't have a chance. Another test of the EMA here. Ugh, 700 tap. Don't love it. Don't love it. This is the hardest job in the world, guys. I want to see the buyers here. Have to see the buyers here. Have to see the buyers here. Alright, well, then we're in this trade. Fucking A, we're in this trade then. Come on, buyers. Hold these 700s. Oh, I don't like the price action at all. Hold these 700s, buyers. Help your boy out. Get back up there. Go. Go test those 10s. Any wicks here we're not a fan of. We want to see this press and some strength by these buyers here. 700 defense. Let's see it. Let's see some continuation. 700 defense. I like the candle closure. Got to hold this EMA in the 700s. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, NASDAQ. Get through these 710s. Give me this pop. Get through there. Show me some strength. Fuck. Give me a pop, NASDAQ. I don't see a reason these 20s can be the big resistance. The 720s. But if we can't get through there, that's where we're at. Come on, NASDAQ. Get through these 710s. Truly the hardest job in the world. I'm just sitting through the pain sometimes. I have a feeling this is going to rip up, but I think we're just going to close it here, gang. Oh my gosh. Come on, buyers. Holy fuck. Come on, buyers. Show me something here. Give me this pop through. Show me something here. Get through these 10s. Get through these fucking 20s. One candle can do it for us. Go. Here it is. 15, 17. Show me the break of these 20s. Come on. 18. Go. Don't want to see a wicks here. Any wicks here, I'm out. 18s. Get through there. Get through the 20s now. Come on. Any wicks, we're out of this. 18s. I want to see the 20s break. There's the 20 tap. No break, though. 20 tap again. Still no break, though. Fuck. 17s. 20s. One candle can bring us to our TP right now. 22s. Get us through there. Through these 20s, the 30s should be a lock.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm out. I mentally can't handle it right now. I mentally... Oh, my God. This is going to go to the 40s, and I'm just going to have to cry about it. Holy fuck. W's, let's go. What a day. W's, let's go. 2v2 W's, Green Gang. Show the love, boys. Beast is good, man. Y'all are the fucking best. Let's go, gang. Love the support out of y'all. Means the most that y'all just sat there and watched me die in my chair, have a heart attack. And this is going to be just... What was that profit? I don't even know, Patty. I think I was down 2,900, so I think it was a $3,500 trade. Yeah, almost $3,600 trade. After fat losses, we were able to make some of it back. I think we bitched out of it, boys. I really, really, truly do. But I can't help but have to make... I would have held that. I promise you, boys, right now, I would have held this to 40s had I not been down $3,000. Had it not been down 3,000, I would have held that to TP. But we got to just take what we can get when we can get it to get back to green on the day. What a fucking mess, okay? What an absolute mess of a day to make this back. Hey, I have the stream muted. Good job securing profit. Red day to green for you. I'm still in. My only trade today. Dude, Dave, great trading, bro. I had to get out because I was already down 3,000, but I think this hits TP at the 40s. Lock the account. Lock in a winning day. Escape the matrix. Great advice, brother. Thanks for being here. Oh, we know. You would have made the right call. Jonathan Craig, nice trade. Appreciate the comment, man. Welcome in, King. Hey, brother, you did the right thing. Dave, I appreciate it. William, super trade. Thank you so much, brother. Positive for the day. That's all that matters. Keith, you were right, bro. It's going to hit the TP. You said it's going to get hit, and I trust you. I held through there for you, so I appreciate it. That one more trade always works. Yeah, I know, GP, till it doesn't, right? Naveen, I still think it does have the chance to go higher. I think we at least hit day range at the 40s. I'm glad. I mean, we got a good fill. What was our fill price on that? We got out at the 18s, so I mean, fuck, you can't be upset about it. We got to fill at the 18s, but hey, brother, you did the right thing. Lock out and touch some grass. Good call. Lock that green day. Holy gosh. Get it? Because the 40s would pretty much be our 10K day. I was down 1,000. Now I'm up 500. Let's go, Wildflower. Congrats. Did you take that same long? Because if you did, I love it. Good trading, though. Discipline to take another trade and way to get out of it. Like the live, Wildflower. Dang, I love it. Love the support. Yeah, there are 26 people. If you guys haven't hit the like button yet, we can get 20 likes. Our last like 4 or 5 streams of all at 20 likes. You guys are actually crazy for that. It means the most. So really, I truly appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, you better be. What is your bench press? Caesar asks. I don't test 1 rep max, brother. I just don't typically care to. I think it's like a chance of injury, ego thing, whatever. I just like to be healthy. But I know last time I did 225. I did 225 for like, I think I did 8 or 10. I don't remember. W's. Great job. I like to see you, W. Jaiwi Fang. Jiwi? Butchering your name, brother, but that comment means a lot. Thank you for that. Hope you're green too, brother. She says yes. All of the weight. Add it on. Covered my longs at 85 points captured. Naveen, great long. Hey, strong man. Yes, sir, Caesar. Good call. You can never know, man. Could go down the same place, went up. Always win when you're green, especially when you were red before. I was down way too much to not take it take it. And look it never got to the 40s yet. So it would have been a sweat. Yes, sir. We hitting 1K subs before next month end. Keith, if we do, King, it's because of you. All the support, bro. Means the most that you're here. Always pressing the good vibes, getting people informed. Tyler, I saw your average into 3 earlier. Wanted to yell at you through the screen. Dave, you didn't see that. But it was beautiful. We got it to move away from us. You can't complain. It was a terrifying trade. Today was ugly, gang. I mean, I don't even really want to tell you guys. It was bad. Lost 295 to start. I was like, okay, well, it took a little L. Okay. Another $300 right behind it. I was down 500. Okay. Look at this chunky one that we just ate. A 1740 loss by having a double contract at a terrible fill. This filled on my first contract short, so it was a $2,000 loss right here. These were all one trade. Lost another 6 after that, so we were really, really hurting. And then we fucking hit it. And you know what? It's not much. It's not pretty, but it's honest work. The 40 could easily still play here. This would just have been a sweat. I had a feeling it was going to be a sweat at the 20s. Man, I don't know how we got an 18 fill. That's pretty crucial. That's pretty criminal, but super happy with it. Bro almost blew the 150k's with 200 drawdown left, but then it went back up and passed it. Haha. Yes, sir, Paul. Always add to the winners. Pat, he knows. When we have a winning trade, we got to add into it. It's just what we have to do. Best chance to make our money. Been struggling with mentally, and you really are inspiring when it comes to losses and still grinding with your strategy and not going mental. Appreciate it so much, William. Yeah, losses are... I mean, y'all saw it. I was feeling it. We were down 3K, and I was feeling it. But we fucking focused up, found a spot, took one more trade. You guys know that song? It's like... what is it like? It'll all work out. It'll all work out. That's just, you just got to keep that mindset. Every trade, it'll all work out. I'm going to get that made for us. It'll be a vibe. Just hit a button that plays for us. I'm going to learn that. Add to winners. GPT, I'm going to make a video on it. I said it, and I'm going to do it again. You singing. Don't come at me. Don't come at me for my off pitch But yeah, I'm gonna make a video on how to add a winner GPT. So when that gets out, I'll let you guys know. That was tough, man. I admire you for not totally losing it. She was close. She was close. And then I was really struggling up towards the profit line where like, do we just take our money? Do we not? It was painful. But overall, super happy. We got the first contract added, these 72s. It was a beautiful fill. And then from there, we pushed and added. Oh, actually, I don't remember where we added. Anyone else? Let me look. Actually interested. Where did we add our 3 contracts, which was fucking risky, bisky ball sack. That was big. Entry price was the 679s. So let me go take a verification. Make sure we actually had a good fill. 679. Yeah, we did. We had a good fill. So we added on this breakthrough here. Okay. Even though I added, oh no, my first contract. What was our first contract? Now I'm all confused. 654. Okay, so yeah, that was way better. No. I just took off my chart, gang. I need to add my chart back. Um, 659 was our first fill. So yeah, we filled on here. I like it. I like it. We never even got to the 40s, boys. Ended up turning it to 7, so we had a really nice exit there. Really can't complain. Stops trailed to 92.75 for me. I like that below this previous peak. It's a nice safe spot, Dave. Just to see that hold. If we're going to get to continue to the top, it's going to hold there, so I like that, or hold before you. Most contracts you add up to is 3 to 4, or do you go in even higher sometimes? That 3 right there was the most we've ever added into, so that was 4 contracts in our direction. Most have traded so far with these counts. Kind of risky. We made it out with some luck, but man, I would have crashed out. Not gonna lie, 10 lots, no stop loss, laughed my ass off. That's the way we do it, GPT. Let's see if I get a TP at the 42s. I want to see the 40s break for you, bro. I really do. That's where I also had my TP, but I didn't have the testicles to hold through this drawdown. I still think we hold. I like your stop at the 92s. But it's 11:05, gang. Y'all know what that means. It means we're going to wrap up the Thursday. We'll be back tomorrow for the Friday. See what we can do tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be core price index, CPI. So we're going to have some volatility. Today, we had range. Can't be upset about the range. And honestly, it's moving. It's moving okay. I just couldn't catch it today. So, and y'all remember the short we took up here that we could have just been done with the day if we just, yeah, we don't got to talk about that. But seriously, again, from the bottom of my heart, you guys mean the most. Hitting the like button every day, showing up, showing vibes, being in the chat, just keeping this community something that's really awesome. So I thank you guys so much. If you haven't hit the button yet, smash it, subscribe. We'll be back tomorrow. For now, keep your guys' accounts protected until tomorrow for the Friday. End the week strong. And yeah, I love you guys. Drink some sun, get some water, and we will keep the party going tomorrow. Peace, y'all.